Get ready for a roaring good time as we embark on a thrilling adventure to the zoo. For young learners, the zoo is a place of endless wonder, filled with fascinating creatures from every corner of our planet. This journey isn't just about seeing animals. It's about discovering their names, sounds, and homes in the English language. From the mighty lion's roar on the savannah to the playful chatter of monkeys in the jungle canopy, children will connect the amazing animals they see with the words that bring them to life, turning a fun day out into an unforgettable educational experience.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild.
Squirrels are accidental arborists. They have a behavior called scatter hoarding, where they collect nuts and seeds and bury them in numerous small caches all over their territory to eat later. However, they have such a phenomenal sense of smell that they can find nuts buried under a foot of snow. They don't recover all of them, and those forgotten acorns and nuts often sprout into new trees. It's estimated that squirrels are responsible Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Rhinos have poor eyesight and cannot see very far, but their hearing and sense of smell are extremely strong and help them stay alert. Rhinoceros comes from Greek words meaning nose horn, because all rhinos have 1 or 2 horns on their noses. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants including grass, Turtles lay eggs, usually in sand or dirt. The temperature of the nest can determine the sex of the hatchlings. Turtles, especially tortoises, are known for their slow movement, but sea turtles can swim fast up to 22 miles per hour, 35 kilometers per h. Some turtles hibernate during winter by slowing their metabolism and staying underwater or underground. Turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish. Rabbits can jump up to 3 feet high and 10 feet long in a single bound. Their powerful back legs are built for hopping away from predators. Rabbits have eyes on the sides of their heads. This gives them a nearly 360-degree view to spot danger from almost any direction. Rabbits are often associated with spring because they breed, well, like rabbits. A female rabbit is called a doe. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places, and other donkeys they haven't seen in years. Donkeys can carry up to 30% of their body weight and pull even more. They've been used as pack animals for centuries. Donkeys form strong bonds with other donkeys, animals, or humans. Lonely donkeys can become sad or depressed. Donkeys are highly intelligent, not stubborn. They're just careful and cautious by nature. Donkeys have excellent memory.
Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups. They often follow the leader. That's where the phrase "follow like sheep" comes from. Sheep say "baa" to communicate with each other. Lambs and their mothers can recognize each other by their unique sounds. Sheep grow thick wool that keeps them warm. Their wool is used to make clothes, blankets, and socks.
Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff, up to 250 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though males are typically larger. Reindeer have been domesticated in northern Eurasia for thousands of years by indigenous peoples, especially the Sami. Reindeer dig through snow to eat lichen, a moss-like plant often called reindeer moss. Ducks can shut down one half of their brain at a time. This allows them to rest while still being alert to predators. Ducks come in many varieties, from the colorful mandarin duck to the classic mallard. Migratory ducks can travel thousands of miles and often return to the exact location they were born. Ducklings can communicate with siblings through sounds to coordinate hatching at the same time. Ducks can shut down one half of their brain at a time. Hippopotamus means river horse. It comes from the Greek words hippos, horse, and potamos, river. Hippos are the third largest land mammals. After elephants and white rhinos, they can weigh 1,500 to 4,000 kilograms, 3,300 to 8,800 pounds. That's heavier than a car. Frogs are found on every continent except Antarctica, in nearly every kind of environment from rainforests to deserts. Frog croaks are like nature's dating profiles. Some can be heard from miles away. Frogs in North America can survive being frozen solid during winter. Their bodies produce a natural antifreeze that protects their organs. Not all frogs lay eggs in water. Frogs are found on every continent except Antarctica, in nearly every kind of environment. Allosaurus was not the absolute largest predator of its time, but it was by far the most common large theropod in the Morrison Formation. This suggests it played a role similar to a lion, a dominant social predator that hunted the abundant large herbivores like Stegosaurus and sauropods. For example, Apatosaurus, Diplodocus, unlike T. Rex, which had a bone-crushing bite. Allosaurus had a relatively light skull with a weaker bite force. Kangaroos can swim and often go into water to escape predators. They appear on the Australian coat of arms, money, and airline logos. Kangaroos eat grass, leaves, and shrubs, like natural lawnmowers. Kangaroos can't walk backward because of their big tails and muscular legs. Red kangaroos are the largest species, with males growing up to 2 meters tall. Kangaroos can swim. As we wander through the different habitats, we'll meet a colorful cast of characters. We can practice saying the names of tall and graceful animals like the giraffe and zebra, and learn about the powerful elephant and stripy tiger.